Hey guys, Rusty here. I'm filling in for Buttercup today. She's been working hard and needs a nice break. So, what are we gonna make today? Well, I've got a radical dish straight from the 80s that I'm gonna share with you all. It's so easy, even I can do it. And that's saying something. We're gonna make hot buttered Cheerios. Oh yeah, this delicious treat is basically fried cereal and it's rockin'. Let's go make some hot buttered O's. First step is to heat some butter in a skillet. You'll want to do a tablespoon of butter per cup of cereal. I think my cereal is probably about 2 cups, so 2 tablespoons it is. Alright, let's get this butter melted. While that's melting, let's get into our Cheerios. Good old Cheerios. Oh yeah. Alright, our butter is all melted and bubbly. Let's add in our Cheerios. Alright, let's see here. There we go. Oh yeah. And now we just gotta cook and stir these babies for about 2 to 3 minutes until they are nice and toasty. That's smelling good. That's some gourmet cuisine right there. We got hot buttered O's going everywhere. 'Cause they're hot buttered Cheerios. Hot buttered, yeah! Once they're looking nice and toasty, we're gonna add a final touch. A pinch of salt. That's some good sea salt right there. Oh yeah, do they smell good? Alright, these are all nice and finished up, so let's pour them into a bowl and dig in. And there you have it, folks. Hot buttered Cheerios. Alright, let's go. Oh, they're hot. Oh, there's some hot buttered Cheerios right there. Okay, so I know what you are thinking. Fried Cheerios are great and all, but how do we make it more interesting? I got you covered. What if we fried up other cereals? Heck yeah, now we're talking. Let's get some more butter melting. Alright, let's try some Apple Jacks. Yeah, I like that. Five-second roll. Don't tell Buttercup about this. Oh yeah. And corn pops? Sure, why not? Alright, here we go. Certainly looks interesting. And it's going everywhere. See this sign right here? I put the mess in domestic. That's me. It smells pretty good actually. Let's go ahead and add in that salt. Yeah. Oh my. Oh boy. I can't wait to dig into this one. The Apple Jacks cooked up nice and crispy. Those corn pops are kind of chewy and weird. I don't know. I'm going to take another bite. Let's try it out. Yeah, I would say corn pops, maybe not so much. But those Apple Jacks, oh yeah. I mean, they're basically just Cheerios, right?
but with like weird little red spots all over them. And they're green and red. I don't know.
And here's a mix for all my fellow furries out there. We got some Frosted Flakes because I know how much you all love Tony the Tiger, right? Yeah? And let's throw in some Fruit Loops for good measure. We got Toucan Sam here with his weird little bird fingers. Yeah, birds have those, right? Get in there. Oh, this looks interesting. Smells interesting. Digging those colors, though. Whoever cleans up this kitchen is not gonna have a good time, and I know it's not gonna be me. Alright, that's smelling pretty toasty to me. Gotta add that salt, though. Alright, here we go. Alright, let's dig in. Oh, hot. Huh. I think I like this one the best. Furry edition for the win. It's really hot though. Remember kids, wait till it cools down a bit to try this out. Oh yeah, and ask your parents before using your stovetop to make fried cereal. And get it everywhere. And they probably won't be happy about that. Oh yeah. This one. This is the one. Fruit Loops and Frosted Flakes. Fried in butter. Perfection. Oh yeah, I think we did good today. Now you too can fry up some hot butter Cheerios or any other cereal your heart desires. Let me know down in the comments what kind of cereal you would like to try this with. And don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe. Buttercup would really appreciate it. Until next time. And no, I'm not gonna blow you a kiss like Buttercup. Sorry, friends. Hot. Oh, there's some hot butter Cheerios right there.
Are you okay?
They're really hot.
Oh no!